Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show how to handle safety eyes that are looks like this inside. They are like hit each other here, so it disturbs you when you add filling or want to shape the head in a good way. What I will do now is I will fire it up. So you need this kind of lighter, and you insert the safety eyes as usual, and then you pull this inside out. And now I will put this on fire. Do it in a safe environment. And be careful that nothing else is sticking out, like a piece or so. That's why I pulled the whole thing inside out. And I will hold it like this. And now I will fire this up. Just to make the plastic a little bit soft. And I want to make it really soft. And now I push this, hold it a little bit till it gets stiff, and now it is flat. And it's also good because now it cannot come out easy. So if you have this washer is very small, it's a good way to make sure that it doesn't come out. And you can also do it little just on the top, but I would do quite a lot down because you saw they were hitting each other quite a lot inside. I did this many times, so you don't need to let it burn in the end. And then push hard. Wait a little bit till it's stiff and get a little bit colder, and then release it. They get quite cold after quite quickly. So now they are not hitting each other anymore. I can feel, and it looks nice and good. Good luck. Bye.